Hi. So this is going to be in English, क्योंकि I want my audience to be more diverse. So I will keep this in English. But right now I am by the Hudson River, and it's really nice here. It's like 7 a.m., 7:15 a.m. and I just I was pretty jet lagged, so I decided to just walk around and just come here. It's very peaceful. You can see all these cars just going. This is the park. This is right next to my university. Actually, I went to Columbia University. I've graduated now, but let me switch my camera again because iPhone doesn't allow you to switch camera during recording. But yeah, in this one I'm going to talk about how what life is like out here in New York City. And I think one of the things that I've learned here is that you have to be your absolute best in everything. Like अगर आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो यहाँ पर आकर के, as an international student, I'll specifically talk about that. You have to make sure that you don't lag behind in a lot of things. I think some of the most important things are maintaining your mental health, maintaining your physical health, maintaining a close group of friends if you can find them, and you effectively will find those people, just a matter of time. But things can get pretty not difficult but challenging, like in a good way, because a lot of the times you'll see people out here who are just hustling their way and just going about their day, and they are so focused, especially in New York City, because it's not easy living here. They say New York City is the greatest city in the world, never sleeps, but it's also one of the cities that never gives up. If you go outside on the streets, you'll see there's people who just are relentless in what they want to do. They are going after it. I think as an international student, it's very important to know that life will be very different for you in a place like this. And I'm sure it would be sort of similar in any other place that you go to. And one of the things that I learned was that I used to feel pretty lonely out here when I was studying. I've been here about 2 years now, and I did my master's in data science from Columbia, and it was a very nice journey. But I used to get super lonely. Like, I used to be like, why did I come here? What is my objective to be here? And I think in that question I realized that it's so important to know what you're doing and why you're here. So I started focusing on my physical health, mental health, and I used to do that earlier also, but I realized that those are essential things. Like, if you're studying, you have to make sure you're eating well, you have to make sure you exercise. It could be anything. You don't have to be super crazy about exercising or anything, but just do something that will get you out of your daily rut of studying and just sort of feeling monotonous. And it's good that things are sometimes monotonous, but yeah, I think one thing I realized was that I wasn't lonely, I was just alone. And I think it took me a while to be comfortable in my solitude, because when I came from India, in fact, when I was traveling before I started my master's, I was traveling around the world. I was also in India, I was in Brazil, I was in Nigeria, and I was in a bunch of countries in Southeast Asia too. And there were people there, I used to meet them, then we would be friends and all. But out here it's very different. You'll find friends, but it will be limited to like a few people. And I think that was the biggest learning for me, that it is really important to know that you have to be very comfortable being by yourself, that you can go and watch a movie by yourself, you can go and go eat by yourself, go walk by yourself, and it's okay. You don't need people to do that. I think I'm saying this because a lot of students out here, not just students, but a lot of people in general have a hard time being comfortable with their own self. And I think New York City will give you that. It'll give you an opportunity to be comfortable with yourself, which is why I'm here. There's nobody here. There's like a few people walking around, and some people are running. They're all by themselves. Some people are walking their dogs. There's a group of people out here. But yeah, I think it's important to know that everything is going to work out, and especially if you want to do well in this country, in the States, you have to put in your absolute best, like the very best. Like if you work very hard, if you work smart, there is nothing that won't be within your reach. And I think I'm getting sort of philosophical in the morning, because that's just what morning energy is like. So I would also highly recommend people to just get up early if they can, go out for a walk. If you're feeling like I don't have any friends, or everyone is just involved in their own thing and I don't know what to do, just know that everyone is facing their own struggle. Like it's like they're in their own head. Sometimes it's easy to get in your own head, and it's a rabbit hole essentially. You can't, you have to actively manage your emotions in a way that will make sure that you don't end up feeling super lonely or anything. And it's such a liberating feeling to know that you're good by yourself. You don't need you don't always need someone who's friends or just colleagues or whatever. You won't always have that. And I think this is what at least this vlog is about. Usually I am doing a lot of nonsense and making jokes and being sarcastic in my vlogs, at least the first couple of videos, but this one is just a little serious because it addresses things that are pretty real. And I think it's just about 8 minutes into this vlog, so I'm going to close it, because all my vlogs will be 8 minutes. I'm never going to make something that's more than 8 minutes or 9 minutes. And yeah, this is it. I'm going to upload one more when I get to campus. But like my channel, this video I just recorded and I'm going to upload it straight away. And I'll switch to Hindi now. तो मैं सीधा अपलोड मारता हूँ ये वीडियोस, सिंगल शॉट सिंगल टेक, कोई एडिट नहीं, कोई गाने नहीं डालना, कोई क्लिप नहीं बनाना, कुछ नहीं, वीडियो बनाया सीधा अपलोड. तो अपने मम्मी पापा को पसंद करते हो, प्यार करते हो उनसे, तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल. एंड मैं एक और व्लॉग निकालूंगा कुछ टाइम में.